Yeah, so I've got some some guys from BT that are here with me. We've got a couple of guys from Meraki, the wireless access people, as you'll see on a slide in a second. And there's a local French company, LeMas Technology, that actually did all the cabling that's underneath your seats in the front here and all around the building. And you'll see some interesting stats now, if I can have my slides.
Yes,
there we go.
they are there.
So that's us. Here's some basic stats on the infrastructure. And as you can see, we've got a gigabit connection to the internet, which I think most people know. But we've got 3 fiber runs between the 3 big buildings, followed by 11 kilometers of cable of Cat5 and Cat6 cable.
And the gigabyte internet bandwidth is not, so that's something that we brought in just for the conference, so that's not BT, that's
no,
also
that's not BT,
company.
That's done by Neo Telecom.
Fiber optic,
yeah,
Neo Telecom.
Yeah.
It's a fiber optics line that we brought to this venue. Each time we change venue, we do another 50,000 euros or something to break a street and bring a fiber optics line so just you can surf during the conference, just that you know.
So we've got 40...
And so that people on your stream can see it as well.
And
now I'm going to let you talk.
We've got 40 wireless access points, of which there's some underneath the seats, some above you, and the rest around the building. People keep saying, are we going to run out of IP addresses? I think not, with 16,277,000 IP addresses. We've got 36 gigabit Ethernet switches around the building, which took 20 engineers and 2 guys from Meraki to install. So the numbers...
20 engineers.
Yeah. Anybody do speed test this week? Yeah. This is what you got if you went to speed test.
And so you have a full bandwidth if you sit here with the cables, but you're limited on Wi-Fi,
and
right?
yeah, we had to limit it to various numbers depending on the amount of traffic on the Wi-Fi. But if you were on the wired connections, it was unlimited. And if you, as I say, if you went to speedtest.com, you got that, which was interesting. And the real stats, this was at 5 o'clock tonight. This is going to blow your mind.
Keep going.
We had 4,600 plus unique devices over the 2 days, with using a total traffic of 1.12 terabytes. Our top user, or abuser, depending on which way you look at it, was someone with the machine, this is on wireless, called LeWeb2010. It's an Apple Mac. Are you prepared to put your hand up? Whoever LeWeb2010 is. No? All right. The total user on the wired network, or abuser, was
5,000 devices?
Yeah, was someone called Tubby Builder. That's not me. And he took 110 gigabits of traffic. So someone on this cable here sucked 110 gig of traffic.
Is that big, 1 terabyte of traffic on 2 days?
Yeah. Yeah. Some interesting facts. The top 5 applications used over the 2 days was Flash Video, iTunes, Twitter, YouTube, and email. The top 5 OSs...
But not Facebook, for example.
No. The top 5 OSs were iPhone...
Who's watching videos from here?
I know. It's bizarre, isn't it?
That's bizarre.
Yeah.
Are we boring that you're watching videos? Well, I mean, we're probably boring from now and then or often, but like, wow, are you watching?
So the top 5 OSs was iPhone, OS X, iPad, Windows 7, followed by Android. And then the top 5 clients, the interesting thing was 71% of the devices here are Apple. Bizarre. And something we pulled out, which was why I was running a bit late, was we did a little bit of stats, and we pulled out that there was 2,600 devices here that tweeted.
Oh.
Yeah, so there was 2,600 unique devices that actually tweeted. So this is what the network looked like, as you can see.
It's there.
The 3 buildings, and you can see the amount of users that were logged on to each access point there. Which is why it's a big challenge for us. And last but not least, you're still a bunch of wimps.
No, really?
Yeah, you only got to 12% of the gigabit connection. So
that's insane. Because Gary told me when you open these, don't challenge them. Like last year we used pretty much the same, right?
Yeah.
10-15%. And I said, well, if we do that, then I should challenge them. So, like, come on, guys, show me how you can take this one down. And same, 12%.
12%. So all I can say is,
So
without giving you a challenge...
Maybe I'm paying too much for the line. We should
it's
divide.
still, the interesting thing is that's still over 100 meg.
Okay.
You know?
Yep.
So it's still a lot. So,
but if we had taken a 200 megabyte instead of a gigabyte, would have been fine?
yeah, but then they'd have still delivered it on a gig. So maybe, you know, so it's no point.
No.
But thank you for your support. For the few people that had a problem, we apologize.
Round of applause for the team and for Gary.
Thank you.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you so much. And yeah, Gary and his whole team, Maroki, and 20 people who install all of the networking, and you're welcome on stage with us at the end. They are like hidden. There is a secret place, and if you met them, there is a secret place where they work, and you will see they're no jokers. Like they're so serious. They're monitoring everything you do, every porn movie you watched on YouTube during the last 2 days. We saw as well.
We saw it, and there was some people doing it.
It's going to be tweeted with your name on your PC.
We did want to name and shame, but we decided not to.
Thank you, Gary.
Look, thank you.
Thank you so much.